Let me ask you something. Have you ever worked so hard, so many hours, given your full energy, and still felt like you are not moving forward? You wake up early, you sleep late, you say yes to everything, you push yourself, but inside you feel tired, confused, drained. If that's you, this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to tell you something that may shock you. Working hard is not the problem. Working without direction is the problem. And if you don't learn this soon, you will burn out before you break through. Today, we're not just talking about success. We're talking about energy, focus, peace of mind, smart strategy, and how to build a powerful life without destroying yourself. And while you listen, you will also improve your English, because I will explain everything clearly with powerful vocabulary and natural speaking patterns. So stay with me. This might be the lesson that changes your life. Lesson 1. The biggest lie about success. Since childhood, we hear one sentence: work hard and you will succeed. But no one tells you the full truth. Hard work without direction is like running on a treadmill. You are moving, but you are not going anywhere. Let's learn a powerful English phrase here. Busy is not the same as productive. Repeat it. Busy is not the same as productive. Many people are busy. Few people are productive. Being busy means answering messages, checking emails, attending meetings, scrolling, reacting. Being productive means creating, building, improving, moving closer to your goal. There's a big difference. And here's another strong word: burnout. Burnout means extreme mental and physical exhaustion caused by overwork. Many hard-working people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they are exhausted. And exhaustion kills creativity. It kills clarity. It kills confidence. So the real question is not, how many hours are you working? The real question is, how effectively are you using your energy? Lesson 2. Energy is your real currency. Most people think money is their biggest asset. Wrong. Your biggest asset is energy. Because without energy, you can't think clearly. You can't make good decisions. You can't stay consistent. You can't grow. Let me teach you a powerful expression. You can't pour from an empty cup. Meaning, if you are empty, you cannot give to others. If your energy is low, small problems feel big, small tasks feel heavy, small challenges feel impossible. Smart workers preserve their energy. Now, ask yourself, who drains your energy? What drains your energy? Is it negative people, overthinking, comparing yourself, endless social media? These are called energy thieves. Say it. Energy thieves. They quietly steal your power. And here's an advanced word: preserve. Preserve means to protect something carefully. Smart workers preserve their energy. They do not argue with everyone. They do not react to everything. They choose carefully. That is power. Lesson 3. Clarity before action. Before you start your day, ask one simple question: what truly matters today? Clarity is power. Without clarity, you chase everything, finish nothing, feel overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means feeling mentally overloaded. Let's improve your English with a sentence pattern. Instead of saying, I have too much work, say, I feel overwhelmed because I lack clear priorities. That sounds more confident and professional. Smart workers don't chase 10 goals. They choose one main priority. Here's a powerful rule. If you could only complete 3 tasks today, which 3 would change your future? That question forces clarity. Clarity removes confusion. Confusion wastes energy. And remember, direction creates speed. Lesson 4. Systems over motivation. Motivation is emotional. Systems are logical. Motivation comes and goes. Systems stay. Here is a strong vocabulary word: discipline. Discipline means doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. Instead of waiting to feel inspired, create a system. For example, if you are a content creator, Monday, research; Tuesday, script writing; Wednesday, recording; Thursday, editing; Friday, planning; weekend, rest. Now you don't depend on mood, you depend on structure. And structure reduces stress. Stress means mental pressure. Too much stress damages your focus. Systems protect your energy because they remove decision fatigue. Decision fatigue means mental tiredness caused by too many choices. When you plan in advance, your brain relaxes, and a relaxed brain performs better. Lesson 5. The power of deep focus. We live in the most distracted generation in history. Notifications, messages, short videos, endless scrolling. Let me teach you a powerful English word: distraction. Distraction means something that pulls your attention away. Every time you check your phone while working, your brain loses focus, and it takes time to recover. Now learn this phrase: protect your focus like your future depends on it, because it does. Try this method. Work deeply for 45 minutes. No phone, no notifications, no multitasking. Then take a 10-minute break. This is called deep work. Deep work produces real results. Shallow work produces noise. If you master focus, you master your life. Lesson 6. The art of saying no. Many people are exhausted because they can't say no. They say yes to every invitation, every favor, every request, and they end up tired. Here is a powerful English sentence. Saying no to others is saying yes to yourself. You do not need to explain everything. You can say, I appreciate the offer, but I can't commit right now. That is polite. That is confident. That is smart. When you say yes to everything, you say no to your own goals. Protecting your time is not selfish. It is strategic. Lesson 7. Rest is a strategy, not a weakness. Many people feel guilty when resting. They think, if I stop, I'll fall behind. But the truth is, rest increases productivity. Your brain has 2 modes: focused mode and creative mode. Creative ideas often appear during a walk, in the shower, before sleep. Why? Because your brain relaxes. Let's learn this phrase. Recharge your mind. Recharge means restore energy. Sleep is not laziness. Breaks are not weakness. Silence is not wasted time. They are investments. If you don't rest, your performance declines. Decline means to become weaker. Smart people schedule rest. They don't wait for burnout. Lesson 8. Consistency beats intensity. Here is a truth. 1 hour every day is more powerful than 10 hours once a week. Consistency builds identity. Identity builds success. If you write 1 page daily, you will finish a book. If you practice English 20 minutes daily, you will speak fluently. Not overnight, but over time. Let's learn this word. Compound effect. Small actions repeated daily create massive results later. Success is not dramatic. It is gradual. Gradual means happening slowly over time. Most people quit because they expect fast results. Winners continue quietly. Lesson 9. Peace is the highest form of success. Now let's go deeper. What is success? Money? Fame? Recognition? No. True success is peaceful sleep, clear mind, strong health, meaningful work. Success without peace is stress. Stress without control becomes suffering. You are not competing with everyone else. You are competing with yesterday's version of yourself. Comparison destroys peace. Gratitude builds peace. Let's learn this word. Gratitude means appreciation for what you already have. When you practice gratitude daily, your mind becomes stronger. Peace protects your energy. Energy builds success. Lesson 10. Purpose, your internal fire. Why are you working? For money only? Money without meaning feels empty. Purpose gives direction. Purpose gives motivation. Purpose gives resilience. Resilience means the ability to recover from difficulty. Without purpose, obstacles become excuses. Ask yourself, what impact do I want to create? Even if your purpose is simple, like helping others learn English, it gives power to your work. Purpose transforms effort into fulfillment. Fulfillment means deep satisfaction. Final message. Work smart, live wisely. You don't need to run faster. You need to move wiser. You don't need to prove yourself to everyone. You need to improve yourself daily. Hard work builds strength. Smart work builds freedom. Peace builds happiness. Purpose builds fulfillment. If you combine focus, energy protection, rest, consistency, clarity, purpose, peace, you become unstoppable. Not because you work more, but because you work better. And remember this final English sentence. True success is achieving your goals without losing yourself. Say it again. True success is achieving your goals without losing yourself. From today, stop glorifying exhaustion. Stop chasing noise. Stop working blindly. Start working intelligently. Protect your energy. Guard your peace. Stay consistent. Because the world does not reward the busiest person, it rewards the most focused one. And if you master your energy, you master your future.